talk about the motherfucking wave, man. Yeah. That's the wave shit, man. But this serve right here, nigga, this life, this religion, nigga, this history, nigga. Fool ass, nigga. Sip drink because of no motherfucking wave, nigga. This my motherfucking culture, nigga. It's my religion, nigga. It's what I believe in, nigga. It's what I was born in, nigga. Fuck is you talking about, nigga? Nigga been pulling up syrup. I don't drink alcohol, man. I ain't never had a shot of Ciroc in my motherfucking life. What does that mean? I ain't never had a pop Ciroc. Nigga. I ain't never Vassier. Busta Rhymes, send that, keep that shit over there with P. Diddy and the other people that shit. I ain't got time for no motherfucking cognac. Nigga.
Oh, show enough.
So's that. Yeah, I'm gonna sit this serve and bring a bitch back though. But what about that though? Get them racks though. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about? Square business, man. Yeah, man, 2 of my lines cost two of your bottles. You fucking chump. Pussy. Put the cup down. No, nigga, pick your responsibilities up, stupid ass nigga. Chump, you want to sip, drink, and sip serve because you think it's cool, and you got a couple rappers doing the fucking bullshit ass Justin Bieber, and I don't know, bullshit ass shit, but you don't want to drink no water, you don't want to work out, you don't want to exercise, you just want to sip serve because your dumb ass don't know nothing about it. You want to pop pills to get high. I don't sip serve to get high. This shit don't make me no fucking high. You think I get high? Yeah, I drink water all day. You think I get high off this shit? Really? You really think this shit make me high? As much as I drink this bullshit, you really fucking think I'm getting high? Man, get the fuck out of here, man.
You gotta be getting something off of it,
everybody, nigga. I ain't never popped the motherfucking STP. I don't know what it feel like to be on the motherfucking perk. I'm scared of that type of shit, man. Square business.
Nigga, drink is.
Fuck that shit making me high, and I'm so fired up. I got a cup with a 4 in it right now. I'm ready to fight. What this, sir?
Drinking pills is opiate.
Splash time, nigga, for real. Yeah, this is liquid air, though. I ain't gonna lie about that. This is that lyric, like my twins say. I'm on that heroin, leave me alone. You hear me? I'm on that liquid heroin, leave me alone. But this only thing right here, this ain't gonna do like that motherfucker, that boy thing. That boy thing gonna have a nigga slayed up with their needle in his arm, like my mama used to be like that.
Hell, I niggas sprucing up their songs on some bad shit.
Never can you find a motherfucking nothing of Sauce Walka being out of discombobulated, can't drive, can't move around, can't control my motherfucking self, pissing on myself like you drunk ass motherfuckers in the club every goddamn Thursday and Saturday evening. Huh? What about you motherfuckers, man? How many motherfucking drunk, ugly, dumb bitches I done seen fall face forward, whole motherfucking hill collapse on that goddamn alcohol? Poison. How many motherfuckers die every day for drunk driving? I don't think it's no epidemic of people dying for sip and serve. I don't think so. I don't think nobody in no car that sip serve all day is hitting no innocent bystander driving in their car killing them. I don't think nobody sip and serve is running no motherfucking traffic light, running into no motherfucking innocent motherfucking driver taking their life. What you bitch ass motherfuckers promote this alcohol and this motherfucking alcohol shit killing motherfuckers every goddamn day though. Huh? Yeah, the serve may not make a motherfucker do nothing but fall asleep in their car. They won't even do that if you want to be real. Huh? Huh? Please tell me the motherfucking ratio of people that you see are killing people or dying or going to jail for sipping serve and operating a motor vehicle. Please tell me I'm so smarter than y'all. Please. I'm awake. Why everybody got such an opinion about this? Huh? Yeah, man. Niggas die drinking syrup. No, they don't die drinking syrup. Niggas die because they are pharmaceutical dope heads. They want to pop this pill, that pill. Man, niggas is popping pills that they can't even pronounce. Niggas are popping pills that they can't even speak on the motherfucking meat ingredients and the goddamn meat conjunction of chemicals and materials in this motherfucking controlled substance. You niggas is popping pills called formaldehyde. What the fuck is that? Oxycontin. Alright, man. Don't calm down, bro.
In the pill form,
I'm relaxed. Cause I'm fired up. I really am good tonight, man. You know what I'm saying? You see what this shit? Don't work my Man, back in my nigga Twin say, man, when I'm on that hair roll, leave me alone, man, cause all this shit gonna make me want to beat a nigga up. That's about the only thing. Hey, man, I'm gonna still fight good, then eat bitch. Yeah, you pop too many handlebars, man. The punches don't come out the same, man. Huh? Take too many of the Lord says, I can't fuck with all that type of shit, man. Everybody always want to talk about pop pill, pop perk. I ain't never heard a nigga talking about popping the perk and going to work, though. I ain't never heard a nigga say, y'all popped up here and I beat a nigga ass up. Cause I'm TSM, man, we just had to fight the club last night, man. My little Mexican niggas up in there punch shit down. Y'all seen that video? I was floating around. Peso punch shit down the club last night. I swear to God, I posted right now. Peso punch shit down the club last night. Peso and Tristan run through that bitch, punch shit down last night. Fuck is you saying? Yeah, nigga, I get in my feelings about this syrup. I don't give a damn. Fuck you. Fuck how you feel. Fuck you. About this syrup. I'm from Splash-Town, Texas, man. Anything got to do with age time, I'm in my feelings, man. Naturally. Fuck you. Yeah, I ain't popping no Xans, man. Yeah. I done seen a lot of niggas get their ass handed to them on Xanax, man. Yeah. I done seen niggas beat up a bunch of niggas on syrup, though. I ain't talking about no one at a time either. I'm talking about I done know some real live thrillers in Manilas, man. My nigga Air Train was natural. Come on, man. Is this some real hood people in this motherfucker? Huh? How the fuck am I talking to myself when there's fucking 1,000 people in this motherfucker? Shut your dumb ass up. Get off my live then. Cause evidently I'm talking to your dumb ass if you was sitting up here replying to me, sir. This shit ain't no different than FaceTime. You just FaceTime 1,000 motherfuckers at one time.
I'm gonna post it on YouTube.
Alright.
That's what a lot of people be doing. They're catching people live on Instagram and then posting on YouTube.
My shit getting the water up here fucking with y'all whole ass.
Just pull up around over here. Let me get some bud.
Y'all got my, look here, I'm finna get out this house. Y'all got my bitches on my ass. Why please add soda to that cup walk? It's too dirty walk. Stop my God walk. Hey man, the bitch just texted. What? Bro, do crack. No, but I'm definitely a crack baby though. Yeah, man. Yeah, I don't do no crack, man. But I'm definitely born out of a crack woman's vagina, man. A crack woman's vagina is what made me, though. Yeah, your pussy ass grew up to a school teacher. Good luck. Great job for your pussy ass. Woo, life was great, wasn't it? How many motherfucking Mother's Day did you enjoy, pussy? Yeah, man. My mama smoked crack, baby. My life was fucked up growing up while your bitch ass was going to Chuck E. Cheese and Davis Busters and Slitterbun and the Six Flags, your bitch ass.
Nigga never went nowhere like that growing up.
Yeah, all right, man. You know I'ma drink my syrup. Yeah, man, come on, man. TSF business, nigga. Y'all know this shit. I'ma keep firing y'all ass up because this shit is funny. Me too, I missed that act too, baby. I ain't lying. What DJ Purple said? Nah, nigga, you ain't gonna be sleeping no real fucking with this syrup. You real live nigga like me, you ain't going to sleep nowhere. When my nigga say, drink this syrup and play some slow down music so we can chill out and come down.
Pausing this shit.